Alright guys, we are out here at Rope Swing Moab. We got my man Eli.
How's it going?
Eli, what are you sitting in?
I'm sitting in my wheelchair, T4 paraplegic. I've been skydiving, ice climbing, but never in my wheelchair. We're going in my wheelchair this time.
Sick.
Yes.
Alright, how's the chair looking?
Okay, I like that the feet are strapped and the knees, so you're not gonna knee yourself in the face.
No knees in the face.
The chair's not leaving my body, so good.
I feel like it's good.
Should we tip him upside down, make sure he's gonna stay in?
Let's do it.
Sweet.
Yeah, I think it's good.
And then Zach, can you hold that dongle?
Yeah. You want this like not touching you at all? Yeah, that works.
Cool.
All right.
Is that locked?
Okay.
Yeah.
We're locked. Are you
just
on,
look
Peyton?
I'm good.
We're on?
We're rolling.
Okay. Okay. You guys ready? Okay,
All right.
Yoo-hoo!
Here we go. I love you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna unclip your safety.
Okay.
And your wheel right here is in a little nook. Once we get unclipped, I'm gonna push you over the top of the nook. Okay?
Okay.
So that you can start free. Oh, sick song. Okay, your brakes are off.
Yep.
Brakes are off. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna push you just 2 inches.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna help push right on your back right. Okay?
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay, all right, you guys ready for Eli? You ready, bro?
Let's go.
Okay, we'll go from 5, okay?
Okay.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh. Oh, wait, shit! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Holy shit! Whoa! Yes! Holy shit!
Hell yeah, dude!
Oh yeah, brother!
Bro!
That was insane!
No way!
My wheelchair's still attached, baby!
Sick! Hold tight there, we'll get
Whoa!
you. Jag.
That was crazy!
Just get it back, yep.
Public?
Yep, I got you. You're good. You're good. I got everything. Hey, look at this arrow.
Perfect.
You wanna try it off this arrow?
You want to go again?
You want to?
Wait, really?
Yeah. I think this actually might be smoother for you. Yeah, let's give it a shot. You want to?
I don't know.
You can say no.
No, I'm alright.
You can't say no.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Cool. All right.
I feel like I pushed it.
Thank y'all so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That was insane.
Of course.
Oh my gosh. That was the most insane thing I've ever done. I highly recommend it to anyone watching. Anyone do this with Rope Swing Moab.
Oh, that was so sick.
Holy,
Bro.
that was insane.
So sick.
That was awesome.
That was insane.
One is good though.
Oh, that was amazing.
I'm shaking right now.
Oh,
You have no idea.
that was,
Dude, crushed it.
thank you. for
Excellently
everything.
executed.
Thank you for
Yeah,
everything.
it's perfect.
Amazing. Mom, I'm here. You're good.
They're crying.
Oh! Yeah! Oh, wait, shit! Yes! Yes! Oh my god!